We've just moved apartments, so I think I'm going to give you a little tour and you can see how incredible the mirrors are in this apartment. Excuse the mess, we have exploded slightly, but this is the main living room, corner sofa. We've got a little table here. We've just moved all of our stuff in, so we're kind of spread a little bit at the moment, but kitchen. Got a full cooker here. Jamie's living in luxury. We've got 4, whatever you call them, so I've forgotten. Little garden. Have a peek inside our fridge. We've got so much fruit. I'm actually quite proud of us. The fridge is majority fruit and veg. So we've got strawberries, blueberries, these tiny bananas, which I thought were adorable, so we had to buy them. Grapes. We've got lactose-free yogurt, which we've miraculously managed to find here in Costa Rica. It's actually Greek yogurt, just without any lactose or sugar, so we use that for breakfast. Tomatoes, and then all of the fruit and veg in here. So that's inside the fridge. And then if you go around here, this apartment has 2 bedrooms. Comes with free boyfriend, who has exploded his suitcase in this room. It was a lovely, neat and tidy bed. If you look at it from here, lovely, neat and tidy bedroom.
Look at the window.
Boyfriend.
Window looks nice.
Window does look nice. But yeah, exploded suitcase.
That's clean washing.
Jamie, do you want to show us the other rooms?
Here's the bathroom. There you go.
Thanks. You should be an estate agent. Bathroom. Ow. And then we've got another bedroom in here, which is much neater because my suitcase hasn't exploded. Bed, wardrobe, and another bathroom in here. I guarantee you at some point I'm going to walk into this glass door. Look at this mirror situation.
Really useful.
We look like we've been decapitated. Looking good. We're gonna go grab ourselves some food now, come back here, do some work, and then hopefully chill out and do a bit of editing and stuff. So yeah, I'll take you with us to go get some breakfast. This looks like a jumping spider and it just looked at me. Nope. We went to this coffee shop yesterday and it was so good. I even managed to drink some of the coffee, and I usually can't drink coffee without decaf, but actually I was fine and it was really yummy. Also, this makes me laugh. Check this out. We went for 2 different acai bowls. Mine's got cacao, and oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, cool. So someone just drove into our frickin' car. They literally just pulled out like along this road, drove along here, and just literally hit our car so much that they pushed the wing mirror in and our whole car moved, and we were sat in it. Like, we literally watched them do it, and then they didn't even stop. They literally just kept driving. Like, they thought about stopping and then they just kept driving. So we took a picture of their number plate. Luckily there's not really any marks. I don't know how, because our literal car shaked, but looks like we've got away somehow. Unscathed, yeah. Somehow. But there are cameras around, so if we do need anything, but I think it looks fine. What the hell though, the audacity of people to just like keep driving. We're just driving back and there's horses everywhere. The potholes in this country are no joke. You can't really tell on the camera, it never looks as bad. What? Okay. I absolutely love this car. I'm obsessed. Oh, that car does not sound healthy. We are back home now, and Jamie, I'm about to do my more work, and Jamie is gonna play games with his brother because he lives the life of luxury, and I have to earn all the money whilst he just enjoys himself.
That's exactly how it's been for the last 3 months.
Back to work, and I am doing, what am I doing? So I am doing marketing things. I'm actually making to-do lists for people so that when they do certain courses they can tick off things that they need to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be making those on Canva, and then yeah, hopefully have some time later to chill out. So I'm all finished work now. We're just gonna cook some dinner. I hope you enjoyed just a little preview into another day in the life as a digital nomad in Tamarindo at the moment. I would absolutely love it if you could let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see, if there's anything that you would like to see me make vlogs on, whether it's travel tips or about Tamarindo or Costa Rica or about our trip, packing tips, anything like that. Just leave a comment below and I will make a video around any of your suggestions. And hopefully I will see you in the next one.